Gentlemen, I'm introducing here an all-in-one recycling system that is successfully being used and is still used at the machine shop industry. The system consists of two apparatus. One is a delivery system, skimmer, that delivers the mixture of coolant with oil pollutant into the recycler system. The recycler system recycles the coolant to a situation that whatever comes in, if it's up to 38%, comes out 98.26% clear water. Let me explain the situation regarding to the skimmers. A, the difference from this skimmer is in that this is a pinch skimmer. It is not a scrape skimmer as the skimmer shown here. You can say the scraping belt, or a neoprene skimmer as shown here that people using to skim the pollutant from the oil machine coolant sumps. This is a pinch skimmer. By that I mean that liquid that is absorbed inside the belt, which was invented by me, goes and collects moisture, water, and oil into the belt, soaking belt, and the pulley, a weight pulley, is squeezing the liquid out and transforms the liquid into the recycling unit. By that is the differential of the skimmers. As to the recycler, there is no other unit on the market similar to that in simplicity and quality of the operation. Now, if I'm to do here, if I'm to put a quart of oil to demonstrate the efficiency, if I'm to put a quart of oil into the coolant sump, you can see the pickup of the oil and liquid through the belt into the weight pulley, and then from the weight pulley it will drain into the recycling unit. The recycling unit principle is accelerated particle separation. It means that the molecules of oil will stay on top and the molecules of the water, which are heavier than the oil, will drain into the bottom. What comes out through the draining tube, it's not the draining tube, from the recycling tubes will be clear coolant. You can see it now start delivering the mixture of oil and water. The capability of this unit is to recycle 10 gallons per hour of liquid. Repeat, 10 gallons per hour of liquid. Now, for the safety of this, it is not necessary, but you can go. If for some reason the flow is greater and not everything is recycled, it goes into a secondary recycling unit that is completing the recycling cycle. What comes out is clear coolant, or in this case is clear water. As you notice, here you can see that. As you notice, we put about 5 minutes ago the quart of oil into the unit and still picks it up. Another plus on this system is that after it removes the floating petroleum products, it will continue to recycle and remove also emulsified It means particles of petroleum that is embedded, emulsified inside the water continuously. This system works on a coolant sump 24 hours non-stop. The only thing is when the machinist needs to get involved is only when the unit is, the recycling unit is full of oil. By that I mean that the drain, not the drain, the output of the unit will start showing oil. It means that this unit is full of oil. Then what the machine is to do with a wet and dry vacuum to remove the oil from the recycling system. Note to that this oil is excluded recyclable. It is not hazardous material. And with my dealing in the past, Castro Oil is buying that type of oil for recycling. Now you can see it starts draining the coolant. And you can see the coolant is clean. It has no smell. Matter of fact, is as good as give it a, you can drink it. Now we're about 7 to 8 minutes from the time that we put a whole quart of oil. And as you can see in the coolant sump at the aquarium for demonstration purposes, you hardly have any oil. Thank you. One recycling unit and a skimmer belt will be sufficient for a machine shop up to 500 gallons of machine coolant. Repeat, for a machine shop we have 500 gallons of machine coolant. If the requirement for more, we can duplicate either the skimmer with the recycling unit, as many as we need. At General Dynamics, before they closed up, I put a system for 5,000 gallon coolant with 3 units recycling it. And after 3 months, there were no bacteria present in the coolant, and the coolant is clean. Yes, I forgot to mention, because of the type of the activity of the recycling unit, it will eliminate, repeat, eliminate the stink, and the anaerobic bacteria that is present in the machine shops.